In 1643, a 5-year-old Louis XIV became King of France, but real power lay with Cardinal Mazarin, who guided the country to dominance in Europe by ending the 30 Years' War. When Mazarin died in 1661, Louis, now 22, declared he would rule alone, saying, "I am the state." Determined to concentrate all authority in himself, Louis XIV sidelined the nobility by choosing non-noble ministers and empowering royal officials called intendants to enforce centralized rule across France. In 1682, he moved his court to the Palace of Versailles and forced nobles to live there under his gaze, trapping them in a life of ceremonies, parties, and dependency, severing their local influence. Louis restructured the army to remove noble control and backed economic reforms led by Colbert, who promoted internal production, exports, and tighter fiscal policies, while religious intolerance and costly wars drained France's strength. His aggressive foreign policy peaked with the War of Spanish Succession, ending in the 1713 Treaty of Utrecht, which limited French ambitions. After 72 years on the throne, Louis died in 1715, leaving a weary, heavily taxed France, but he remained known as the Sun King, a symbol of power, magnificence, and control. If you love history told fast and clearly, hit like and subscribe to History in Short. New stories every week, no fluff, just facts.